In this quick video, I will show you how to replace the internal battery in your Chevrolet Avalanche key fob. Now your key fob might look a little bit different than this one. There are a couple different layouts for this particular device, but as long as yours looks like the one in the thumbnail, don't worry. We have the same version, the same device, but just a different button layout. And they both take the same battery and the process is going to be exactly the same. So just follow along with me here and I promise we will get a new battery in your device in under 5 minutes. The only thing you will need to get it done is a regular flathead screwdriver or a coin, like a quarter or a nickel, and one of these CR2032 batteries. Now, these batteries are pretty easy to find and they are inexpensive. If you are looking to get one online, you can check out the link that I have left in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can get that particular battery for just a couple of bucks. So check that out if you are interested, and then we can just jump right into this. I'm going to be using a coin because I find that works the best. What we are going to do is look down on the bottom of the device right here, and along the seam in the plastic there is a little indentation. You can see right there, there's a little space there. We're going to take our coin or flathead screwdriver, insert it in to that area, and just give a little twist. It'll take very little force and this thing will crack open, and then you can just pull it apart with your fingers. You can set this down for now. And here we have access to the battery. We can try, if you have maybe longer fingernails, you can just pop this thing right out. I'm going to be using this flathead screwdriver. You could also use a pen or pencil, something like that lying around. And we want to look at this little space right here. That indentation helps us to get under the battery so we can just pry it right up. So go ahead and lift the battery out. Be gentle. Don't want to damage anything in here. Doesn't take much force at all. So just pop that battery out. Go ahead and dispose of the old battery. Make sure you are using a new CR2032 battery. And when you put it in there, you want to make sure that this positive side does go face down. Just verifying that, yes. So the plus side, the one that has the battery information on there, we want that to go face down, and you'll just drop that in there, click it into place, positive side down, and now we can just click this thing back together. So just set this on top and squeeze. And once you have that done, you are all set. That's all it takes. And so I hope that was helpful for you. If it was, you can always let me know down in the comment section, and you could also do so by giving this video a like, which helps out a lot. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fob devices, you can always come back to this channel where we have videos for pretty much every device from every maker model out there. And you can also get that information over at our website, which is called fobbattery.com.